Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today, we're introducing a practical, reliable, and robust workhorse, the *2026 Mitsubishi L300 *. Whether you need it for business, cargo transport, or just need a durable vehicle for tough conditions, this van offers everything you need in a commercial vehicle. Let's dive into the full walkaround and take a closer look at its design, performance, and features. Let's begin with the exterior of the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 *. As you can see, this van has a sturdy, no-nonsense look, with a boxy design that's purpose-built for heavy-duty use. The front features a simple but bold grille, giving it a functional yet strong appearance. The large headlights and wide stance give the L300 a commanding presence on the road. The 2026 Mitsubishi L300 is equipped with durable steel wheels that can handle tough conditions, and the simple body lines emphasize its work-ready nature. The large cargo area, accessible through wide rear doors, offers plenty of space for tools, equipment, or goods, making it an excellent choice for businesses and delivery services. At the back, the large cargo doors open wide, allowing for easy access to the expansive storage space. The rear bumpers are designed for durability, and the van is built to withstand tough handling, whether you're loading up or unloading on a busy workday. Inside, the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 is all about practicality and comfort. While it's a commercial vehicle, Mitsubishi hasn't forgotten the driver's needs. The driver's seat is comfortable, with ample headroom and adjustable seating to ensure you stay comfortable on those long hours behind the wheel. The dashboard is simple yet efficient, with easy-to-read analog dials for the speedometer and tachometer. The central console includes basic controls for the air conditioning, music, and other essential features. The Mitsubishi infotainment system is compatible with basic connectivity, ensuring that your workday goes smoothly. The cabin can comfortably fit the driver and 2 passengers, with durable fabric seating that's easy to clean, making it the perfect choice for a vehicle that may be used in various conditions. There's also ample storage space in the cabin, including compartments for tools, documents, and other essentials. Now, let's talk about the cargo area *. The 2026 Mitsubishi L300 has one of the most spacious and practical cargo areas in its class. With flat, easy-to-load space, you can transport everything from tools to equipment and even bulkier items. The large rear doors open wide, allowing for convenient access and making loading and unloading a breeze. Whether you're moving boxes, furniture, or working materials, the L300 offers the flexibility to get the job done with ease. Under the hood, the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 comes with a fuel-efficient yet powerful engine, delivering the performance you need for all kinds of work. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing precise control and reliability when you're carrying heavy loads or driving on difficult terrain. On the road, the L300 handles remarkably well, with a smooth ride, especially for a commercial vehicle. The suspension is designed to provide both comfort and stability, ensuring that even with a full load, you'll have a stable and controlled driving experience. In terms of technology, the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 doesn't overwhelm you with complex systems, but it does include practical features like Bluetooth connectivity, a rear-view camera for easy parking, and a basic infotainment system that helps you stay connected while on the go. Mitsubishi has also taken care to ensure the safety of the 2026 L300 *. It comes equipped with essential safety features, including airbags, ABS brakes, and stability control, making it a safe choice for both urban and rural environments. The reinforced frame and durable construction ensure that the L300 is built to handle tough conditions and provide protection for the driver and passengers. So, whether you're using the *2026 Mitsubishi L300 * for business, deliveries, or as a reliable daily workhorse, this van is ready for the task. With its durable design, spacious cargo area, and solid performance, it's the perfect tool for professionals who need a no-nonsense vehicle that gets the job done every day. Thanks for tuning in to Dream Cars today. If you enjoyed this walkaround of the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 *, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and features on the latest cars and commercial vehicles. Until next time, stay driven and stay inspired. Stay tuned for more incredible vehicles from Dream Cars. See you soon.